welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tandy. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I put together this super beginner friendly look using no false eyelashes. So if you're interested in seeing how I put this look together, just keep on watching. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to be getting my skin prepped using the Chanel Hydra Beauty Micro Liquid Essence. I literally speak about this in every single video. This is very much a key ingredient. Wow, no. It's definitely a key item that I use in every single makeup look. Next, I move on to my primer. Now, this primer is the Chanel brightening makeup base. This product is discontinued, however I still have some left, so I might as well use it. I really like this primer because it has an SPF in it. It doubles as a skincare plus a makeup primer, so yeah, it gives me the SPF that I need throughout the day. I believe this is an SPF of 40. Alright, let me cover up these blemishes, child. I'm just going to go in with a orange corrector first and then layer a more flesh tone concealer on top of it. The orange corrector is just so that I can cancel out any kind of dark spots or hyperpigmentation, as the girls call it. You feel me? And then when I go in on top of that with my more flesh tone concealer, that is what's going to brighten the area. And I'll let that sit while I do my eyebrows. Now the tea is, I could literally sit here all day and describe to you guys how I perfect my eyebrows, but we would literally be here all day. So instead, I'm gonna fast forward through this and leave a link in the cards up above and as well as in the description box for you guys to check out a full-on eyebrow tutorial. Like, I for real don't have any eyebrows, so the finesse game is on point. Just click the link in the description box, okay, period. I clean up my brows with a skin tone, flesh tone eye pencil. This one in particular is by Chanel. I do also love the NYX one too, but I use this pencil just to clean up underneath my brows to perfect the shape and blend it in with my finger. It's so simple to do. Okay, let me go ahead and just blend out that concealer because we're not trying to be cakey, we're not trying to be uneven. We want to make sure that we blend out our concealer, including underneath the eye, especially underneath the eye. Okay, we did too much skin prep for our skin to be looking not cute, so let's handle that situation because I gotta hit my shmoney dance on this one. All right, I'm about to use my favorite foundation of all time. I've spoke about this before. This is the DIOR Nude Air Foundation, baby. And this stuff, yo, when I say it is lightweight, like, it just feels like you don't have anything on your skin. Literally feels like air. I'm so upset that they discontinued this. So if you was looking to get your hands on some, sorry, sis. You probably won't be able to. But if you do find it, definitely cop it, period. You know what I really hate? I really hate the fact that makeup brands will get you used to something and then they just take it away. Like, sis, we were here for this. Like, we love this. Why would you try to fix something that ain't broke? You feel me? But now that all of that liquid is on my face, I need to set it, okay? I gotta lock in that product. So I'm gonna lock in the product using a couple different loose powders. The first one that I use is by Chanel, and the second one is by DIOR. And the DIOR one is a mattifying powder, so I like to use that on my eyebrows. That way they don't get like shiny throughout the day. I also put it on my smile lines. The key to a flawless base, listen to me when I tell you this, okay? It's going to be to add color back onto the skin. Never leave your skin dull. So what I'm doing is I'm using a little bit of bronzer. And a list of all of the products that I use will be in the description box in case you missed the product listing on the screen. But yeah, I'm just going to bronze my face where I would have more shadows on my face, okay? I don't necessarily contour, but I do love a good bronzer to bring back warmth to the skin. Nobody's skin is one tone, so please, whether you use blush or bronzer, okay, you need to add some color back into the skin. Don't be a flatty patty, all right? I also love to set my makeup in place with some rose water. Rose water is, of course, you know, all natural, and it just really helps to get rid of any kind of like, you know, that powdery makeup look. Yeah, it really helps to let the makeup settle into the skin. Okay, and now I'm gonna move on to blush, and this is one of my favorite blushes. This is the shade Evening Beige by Chanel. I'm sure y'all probably like, Tandy, are you gonna do a whole face to Chanel? No, not in this video, but I did do one though. So click the cards. It'll be up above on the screen. You can click that if you want to check out my full face of Chanel. Check that out if you're interested. The look was mad expensive, but it came out so bomb. And once again, we're going to normalize black women in luxury. So let's use some Chanel lip gloss because Chanel. This is, I believe, in the shade Noce Moscata. Once again, a list of all of the items that I use in this tutorial will be listed down below. Now, I don't usually use highlighter like that, but because this look I'm not using any eyelashes, I tend to go a little bit overboard. But this is the Glow Goals highlighter by Ofra x Nikki Tutorials. I put that all over my cheeks, down the center of my nose. I also put that over my eyes just to kind of give me that kind of glass skin look, because whenever you don't have eye makeup on, you really want the focus of your makeup to be primarily on your skin. So I want to look like I have glass skin. So this highlighter is literally gonna go everywhere. Also do my little beauty mark and set everything with some rose water spray, and yeah, that is this look. Like, this look was so simple and easy to do, totally beginner friendly. You don't always have to have eye makeup, especially lashes. I know a lot of times I frequently rely on lashes even when I don't do eyeshadow looks, so I hope this video was able to show you that you don't even need to wear lashes to have a bomb makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of my future uploads. I hope to see you soon. Bye.